Hi, my name is Bill, and this video we're going to take a throwback look at my very first GPS drone from about 8 years ago. This drone, the XK X380 Detect, was the hot commodity back then, with YouTubers like Quadcopter 101 and Dustin Dunhill and DJ Soulforce doing many videos on this along with others. It was a relatively inexpensive alternative to the Phantom 2 and Phantom 3s of the day. The only thing is didn't come with a camera or a gimbal or a video transmitter. You had to put all that stuff in yourself. So about a year ago, at 4:30 in the morning, I decided I was going to reroute the wires, and I wound up plugging the 12 volt into the 5 volt supply and vice versa, and blew out quite a few parts of the quad, including the camera and the gimbal and all that stuff. So, just recently I stuck a non-gimbaled Mobius Mini camera on here, just to because it does have a video out. I do have a better 4K action cam, but it doesn't have a video out. So unless I find another Get 2, which I blew that up too, that had a video out which I could use for sending signal to the VTX. But anyways, we took off. We wanted to see the feasibility of getting this thing back up in the air, and we got the Mobius Mini. It's really not stabilized or anything, and you can see a little bit of jerkiness or shaking in the video, mostly when we're flying forward into the wind, and we're flying here towards Lake Erie. Just as a quick test, that's about maybe 1,000 feet or 1,200 feet away from my house, so it's not all that far. But you can see a little bit of the curvature over there, because I think even the Mobius Mini had a 90-degree view angle. So if you want to get really flat horizon, you need somewhere around 70 degrees. Anyways, we're just kind of doing a quick test here. It wasn't too windy. It was a little bit chilly. I think it was down below 40, and the lake certainly was down below 40. But we just wanted to see if this would be feasible to take off and still use it. And it is usable. I may have to do something about the shakiness of the video. At least I got rid of the jello. Mounting the camera is the whole trick, getting it to be relatively stable without too much shake in it. And your props have to be extremely well balanced and all that stuff. But here we're coming back towards my house. There we might see my white car on the side and all the satellite antennas there, and I'm standing in the front yard. But it did work. We got the telemetry module in there that monitors the internal voltage, which is very important on this model, on this UAV. And we got a camera and a VTX on there, so it's back in the air. It's working. It flies, and it's not the greatest UAV, but it was my very first one, and so for that reason, it holds a kind of a special place in my heart. So, anyways, we just thought we'd post something here that's a little bit different, and let you see how we started on this crazy trip like 8 years ago, taking videos in this manner. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Leave any comments below, and we'll catch you in the next video.